everyone, welcome back to the channel. So August of last year, August of 2024, so this is good and ready. I am getting ready to strain my homemade vanilla. So there we go. So I've been using this one, so I'm going to strain this one and I'll show y'all. Now I used rum to make these. Because I didn't want to use vodka since vodka is made from potatoes. That smells so good. So we have an empty bottle of Torani. This is salted caramel, but I'm going to use this to do my vanilla. So then we're going to just strain this. Put this over here. And we're going to pour it in here. Nice and steady. And this bottle was already cleaned out and everything. Oh wow. So this bottle holds about 2 pints. So if you're ever wondering, if you ever get one of these big bottles and everything, you wonder how much they hold. It says 1.6 pints. So, and these were pint jars. So I've been using one of them a little bit. So just about 2 pints in here. So look at that. Homemade vanilla. This is awesome. Oh, and it smells so good. So there we go. It's been a while, so I'm glad I was able to strain it and I got something to put it in, and we'll have homemade vanilla for a while. See y'all in the next video. God bless, stay safe, and we love y'all.